Alright, Diamondback ar15 with the scope on her. Finally ready. Just got back from the shooting range. Took me a minute to zero the scope in, but this is my first grouping. Second grouping. Third. Fourth. And last one at 100 yards. 223 rounds. This gun shoots beautifully, not one flaw. Very nice and accurate. This scope was only $100 on Amazon. Rifle at $10.39 and the grip at $25. Couldn't get a better rifle for the price. Sweet gun, very accurate, highly recommended. Everybody should check this rifle out. Get one for yourself. Have a good day.